Good morning, everyone. I am going on another journey right now. I'm about to head out. Just getting my stuff ready. Just drinking a smoothie. And I'm about to roll out. So, looks really nice and sunny outside. And just make sure I got all my gear ready. But it's gonna be a fun ride. Come along. Forgot to mention, you guys, I got my Superco denim jacket, cut off sleeve that I'm gonna be wearing on the ride. And my boy Tool, the very talented Tool, made this a while ago. I forgot, it's just years ago, but love it. Check it out. And I'm going to be having him make another one on my leather one. But for now, sporting this beauty. Thank you, Tool. Superco, power to the people. Got to the little bros pad. Harley's over there. About to go head out to Malibu once again on another beautiful hike. Taking the panels off. What's up? Recording you a little bit.
What happened?
Recording you, taking the panels. Taking the panels off. Take a joyride down the canyon up to Malibu. Gonna be another, I think, 6.5 mile hike. But this time, the homie Joey coming along too. It's about to go down, folks. Destination. Check it out. Hiking trail is up ahead over there. Sweat. We're about to start walking. Move along.
Start it?
Start it.
Let's go.
Starting the trail. Backbone Trail. What's up, Joey?
What up?
Chris?
Hey, you hear some water already?
Yeah, you could hear some water down in the valley. Got flowers. Nice little dirt trail. Pretty smooth. Partly cloudy, which was a trip, but it feels good right now, huh? Doesn't feel as bad as when we had the top off on the Jeep. All right, here we go.
I'm on the edge, I ain't coming down. I get too high, I'm afraid of the ground. I'm young and I'm paid to play with these sounds. Ignoring the call, she shutting that gown. Started at the top and I'm taking it down off the champagne. Took a break from the brown on a rampage, I've been giving it brown. Shawty been solid some time now. I'm my life for the wine, dine and I'm with it. Look where we started and look where we at. I can see where we headed, but I can't see me finish. 3 years ago I was down on my last, was stuck at the crib. I couldn't get out of my bed, then I realized it's all in my head. And I can't go back to the past, yeah. Except now I'm moving, put all in the music for more like a movement is brewing. I cannot picture us losing. I'm sharp when I shoot it, the world is my tutor. She wanna lay block in public, but know that I'm published, we settle for safety. Not in the street, but I'm on the same muscle, that schedule been driving her crazy. They talk like they know me, but know that they bluffing unless it's somebody that pays me. Keep minding your business, the money been printing, my nigga just gotta go get it. I'm in the zone through the winter. I'm trying to see Rome, see Venice. I'm at the summit, I'm thumbing my budget, my nigga. It's nothing, just part of my image.
Just got home from a nice ride on the bike from Pasadena to Chino Hills. amazing time out there. Incredible hike up in Backbone Trail, I believe. I think that's the name of it. But it was another good trail. And then with a couple waterfalls, there's actually like 3 waterfalls on that trail. And it was me, Joey, and Chris. Not too many people on the trail. I think the other ones had a lot more people. But yeah, incredible. Had a good time. Nice ride back. And got here really quick from Pasadena. It's crazy how much faster you get on a bike, especially when there's traffic. That's why I love riding the bike instead of a car sometimes, because you can just split lanes, do some lane splitting, and you don't have to deal with the traffic and get stuck for like an extra hour. California traffic. It's insane. But it's always fun riding the bike. I love it. And yeah, so time to just chill, take a shower, attend to my garden. It's coming out really nice too. The strawberries are coming out. Let's check this out. Beautiful strawberries. And I got a sunflower right there. Of course, Swiss chard, type of lettuce, tomatoes, kale, sweet Thai basil, sweet peppers, and check this out. Nice little pepper coming out. Really cool. Amazing when you see these things grow. It's really nice. And then some green lettuce and some bok choy. Another type of lettuce right here. And then I got some mint. About to start growing, is germinating right now. So, everybody, this is the end of this vlog. If you want to comment, like, and of course subscribe. UTB. I'm out of here.